Hi girls, today I just received the metal hardware for my bags, and let's see what the supplier sent me. I ordered some things, but you know, you have to see if the photos are the same like the content of the box. But first girls, if you like my videos, subscribe, share, leave comments, and this way you will help my channel to grow and to me to be more and more creative. Now let's start. Okay, the invoice, and oh, it's heavy. Let's see. Here I have metal rings. I will use them for the first time. Yes, I like them. They are for the big bags. Okay, these pieces, I don't know the name, but for me these are the hooks. Okay, the same size I needed. The other one with the numbers, super, they are very good. I needed these numbers to know what I'm ordering from their catalog. And these are okay. Another size. For my keychains. Yes. Let's see. The buckles. Yes, and now I will finish 2 bags because I made them. I will show you. They look like this with the zipper, but I didn't have the metal parts here, the rings for the strap, and now I have the buckles. So this one will be ready, and this one too. Let's leave them aside. Here. Yes, the metal rings are here. I'm ready for work. More buckles, super. And here, small rings like this for the keychains also. Let's check them. Yes, they are the same, tiny, and I'm planning to make some wallets, but with more studs, metal studs and rings. I wonder to use these big rings, but maybe with the smaller size will be more beautiful and more elegant. I will try. New buckles. No, not buckles. These are the other parts. I don't know the name. This one is for regulation, to regulate the strap, like this. Yes, this is the size. I will try. And I ordered a new metal hooks. Let's see them. I never used them. They are more fine and they are easy to open. Let's check something because I ordered them on purpose. I think the name is rivet like this, and let's try if it will be okay. Yes, yes, and perfect. I love it. I will show you why. When I did my bags like this one, here I used these metal pieces, but here the hook is smaller and it's very difficult to add the strap. And let's try like this. Perfect. It's more comfortable, this one. And what else? Another regulator, smaller size, for this strap. It will be perfect. And for the first time I ordered this kind of buckles. I'm not sure about the name, but let's see them. I will show you. Like this. Yes, I like them. And they have another piece here. I will see how to use them. This one, I would like to make some bags with this kind of buckle. Take a look. Here, for this bag, I used a metal magnet. It's a magnet. But I would like to use, for example, this one. Like this. Yeah, kind of. And why not? I think it will be interesting. Of course, this part will be not so low. It will be somewhere here. But I will try. And I'm happy. Everything I needed is here. And now get back to work to finish my bags. And girls, don't forget, subscribe, wait for more. The new bags will come soon. All the best from me. Have a wonderful day. Bye till the next time.